Hey guys, Santos here with RedBird Technology Solutions. I'm standing in front of probably the biggest job and project that we've undertaken. I'm in my installation wardrobe here. This is Arcade Apartments over in Racine, Wisconsin. It's a very, very old historic building, and as you can see, it's actually three buildings that at one point were combined together. At its highest, it's 6 floors. The problem was they were in desperate need of surveillance. These guys in this size of a unit and this size of a structure had only 5 cameras. We're coming in and installing 35 more and installing a nice 180 up on the rooftop. They're building a beautiful rooftop deck. This has been our biggest project. What's very interesting about this site and location, like I said, it's a historic building. There was a lot of regulations on how we could run the wire, how we could lay the conduit. It was a very, very interesting project. It took us about a week just to manage our routes and where we're gonna run and what we were gonna do with this wiring. After it was said and done, we pulled about 3,000 feet of wire just to get these cameras where they should be. They're gonna be placed in critical areas, exits, elevators, stairwells. We're gonna show you some of that after this video, so stick around, take a look. And if you ever need anything like this, if you need help, if you need surveillance installations, if you need any maintenance on an existing installation, reach out to RedBird, reach out to us. Our number is 262-475-2615. Our website is redbirdit.net, where you can reach us there as well. And we'll come in, help you out, give you an estimate, and treat you right.